Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Bentley Motorhome is the epitome of mobile luxury. Exterior design, iconic Matrix Grille. Bentley's iconic massive Matrix Grille, which may be finished in piano black or dark chrome, dominates the front and gives it a commanding appearance. Sharp and stylish, adaptive LED headlights blend in well with the overall style. Big alloy wheels. These have a sophisticated multi-spoke design that enhances performance and luxury. Tires made especially to be quiet and comfortable. Innovative features include a sturdy and fashionable integrated automated awning and large panoramic windows, maybe with electrochromatic privacy. 2 doors for ingress. Interior. Best materials. The best materials are used throughout the entire interior. Cockpit, driving area. This section is as luxurious and ergonomically engineered as the Bentley Continental GT cockpit. Coffee table that may be adjusted in height. Superfast internet connectivity, a big concealed OLED TV, and a Naim for Bentley sound system are all features of this high-end entertainment system. Galleries, built-in espresso machine, convection oven freezer, and induction hob. Smart storage, a custom stainless steel sink, and worktops made of marble or granite. Either a king-size or queen-size bed in a private bedroom. Multipurpose room, a guest room optional. Certain arrangements might provide extra space that can be utilized as a guest bedroom or small office. Ambient lighting that can be adjusted, an intelligent LED lighting system that lets users choose the mood. Cutting-edge technology, an integrated smart home management system that regulates water and waste. Levels, lighting, blinds, temperature, and entertainment. Strong engine, most likely a more economical but no less potent plug-in hybrid. Or Bentley's well-proven 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine. Smooth automatic transmission, an 8-speed automatic transmission with almost undetectable shifts that is tuned for efficiency and performance. Adaptive air suspension system, superior ride comfort is guaranteed by this cutting-edge air suspension.